how to pay Temu with cash. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can pay the Temu with cash. So if you want to pay the Temu with cash, in this video I am going to show you how you will be able to pay Temu with cash. So all you have to do is open up your Temu app on your device. Once you have opened up your Temu app here, you have to open up your Temu account here. So you have to just log into your Temu account. After that, just simply log into your account, and once you are here on your account, you can see your profile. After that, you have to do is that you have to just put any of the product in your cart that you want to buy. For an example, I want to buy this product. Just go for that and open up that product. Once you are here, you have to just go and tap on the add to cart option. Putting this particular to my add to cart, just select the add to cart here. So after selecting the add to cart here, you can also go to your cart. So here you can see your cart. So now you can see that this product has been already added into my cart. Now just simply you have to open up your cart option here, and you will be redirected to your cart here, where you can see this particular product over here, and you can scroll down and you will see the option called save payment option here. Just go and tap on that option, go to cart, and you can go for the save option here. Once you have tab on the save option, which you will see the payment method here. So here you can see the payment method. So in the payment method, you can see the PayPal, Visa, Apple, Fino, Cash App here. So you can see the other option of payment method, but I couldn't see the cash on delivery option on the Temu app here. So if you want to check out here, you can see the cash on delivery option to check out. So as well as you won't be able to see the option cash on delivery, so you will be able to pay it through your Visa card, PayPal, Apple Pay, GPay, etc. here. So you can see that. So you have to just go for the save payment here, and you can easily pay your Temu with cash. So you have to look for the cash on delivery option on your Temu app. Then you will be able to pay the Temu with cash on delivery. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.